In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your contact list from Google Drive in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, and by the end of it, you'll have easy access to your contact information directly from your Google Drive interface. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, we need to open up Google Drive. To do this, simply head over to your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com or use the Google app on your device. Once loaded, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account to ensure that your contacts will appear properly. If everything checks out, we're ready to move on to the next step. You should now see the main homepage of Google Drive, which is filled with your files and folders. On the upper right side, you'll notice various icons. Among these icons, there's a small grid, or what we often call the Apps launcher. You'll want to click on this grid to reveal a drop-down menu filled with Google applications at your fingertips. In this drop-down menu, look for a blue circle icon symbolizing Google Contacts. It may not be immediately visible, so you might need to scroll down further depending on the number of apps you have. If you still can't find it, try using the search bar within the apps launcher for a quicker way to access Google Contacts. Once you've clicked on the Google Contacts icon, you'll be redirected to a new page where all your saved contacts are listed. Here you can view all your contacts' detailed information, such as names, emails, and any notes you might have attached to them. This is your digital address book, and it's seamlessly connected to your Google account, making it easy to keep track of everyone you need to. For those who use Google Drive frequently, being familiar with this functionality can be a lifesaver, especially when managing shared documents and collaborating. It allows you to easily find and communicate with your team, friends, or family without leaving the Drive environment. There you have it, a quick and efficient way to access your contact list directly from Google Drive. It's not only a time saver, but also a productivity booster by facilitating better connectivity within your Google ecosystem. Keep in mind, if you have any particular issues or once you've completed these steps and something doesn't look right, checking Google's Help Center or community forums can provide additional advice tailored to your specific situation. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video if it improved your workflow, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time in another educational video.